Buying a car in the UK is not cheap, neither is it free of risk. Anyone remember Arthur Daley? Am I hitting the right demographic? No? Okay. It involves a lot of planning, saving and navigating hordes of over-eager car salesmen desperate to get rid of that yellow Toyota that's been on the back lot since shell suits were a thing. I never had one. So what is the right way to buy a car without breaking the bank? Well, lean in, I'm going to tell you. But first, be sure to check your mirrors and beat these like and subscribe buttons. It's in the highway code. Before you start looking for a car, you need to have a clear idea of what the car is for. Is it for commuting, family use, or to impress that barista who serves you latte in the morning? How many seats do you need? Do they need to recline all the way? You know what I mean? What other features are important? Surround, sound, stereo, storage space, or the pimped out chrome wheels with the hydraulic low-ride suspension? I mean, come on, what is that about? What about fuel, petrol, diesel, hybrid or electric? Once you have an idea of what kind of car you want, you need to set a realistic budget for buying it. Don't be one of these people who buy a car only to find out they can't afford to keep it. Look, this is the list of costs you need to put into your calculations. Insurance, road tax, MOT, fuel, maintenance, repairs, parking and depreciation. Any one of these could seriously dent your fender, if not run you off the road completely. In the description, you'll find links to some online tools and calculators you can use to estimate these costs based on your chosen car, model, mileage and location. Right, next, you should also compare different financial options: paying in cash, taking out a loan, leasing, personal contract purchase and hire purchase. Each one of these has its own advantages and disadvantages. Going into them all here will put too many miles on both our clocks, but be sure to do your research and work out what is best for you. If you choose to pay all or part cash, then you'll need to save up or get lucky at the bookies. Seriously, don't do that. Betting is not a good financial plan.
No.
So you've got to save up, and here's how you do it. Set a savings goal and track your progress towards it regularly. Open a dedicated savings account and set up an automatic transfer into it every month as soon as you get paid. Next, before you walk into the dealership, do your research on how to negotiate with car salesmen. They can be quite slippery. So arm yourself with some good, strong negotiation skills. Here's 3 good ones. Gather information about the car's market value, its features, and any available discounts or incentives from other local sellers. This helps you negotiate from a position of strength, and you'll have a better understanding of what constitutes a fair price for all that rubber and chrome. Work out your maximum budget and stick to it. When negotiating, be firm and assertive about your budget. If the seller can't meet your price, be prepared to walk away. During negotiations, silence can be a powerful tool. After making an offer, remain silent. This can create an uncomfortable pause that may prompt the seller to make a counter-offer or give you more concession. Anyway, drive safely, click like and subscribe because, well, the video's over.